Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the 10x Income by Tabby D, and for those of you who don't know, guys, the 10x Income system is an affiliate income system built by Tabby D, guys. So new affiliates like me and you, and affiliates who are experienced, guys, can actually get commissions on autopilot. All right, so no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, guys. No waiting for results. So I'll pilot traffic daily. And how is this possible, guys? Well, it's actually possible through Tabby D's traffic packages. Once you get in the text income system, guys, you will have the option to buy Tabby D's traffic packages, guys, or promote organically. Alright, so there's basically two options once you get inside, guys, and every commission you earn inside the program, you will get $2.97 in commission, guys, for every single commission. Alright, so there's no $10 or $15 commissions in here, guys. Every commission you get, guys, as a member of the 10x Income program, you are getting $2.97 in commissions, guys, simply by referrals or by Tabby D's traffic packages, guys. Very easy to use, not complicated, no matter which route you choose, guys. So stop failing and finally break through. This is not a free program, guys. It actually was $9.97 at one point, but is now $2.97, only for a limited time, guys. This could change pretty much at any moment, any day, guys. I cannot promise it'll be $2.97 forever. I know that might be kind of steep for some of you who are new to affiliate marketing, but check this out here. 365-day money back guarantee. So even if you do choose to invest, guys, and for some strange reason, guys, it doesn't work out, there's always a way out, guys. 365-day money back guarantee. So pretty much no risk, okay? So basically $2.97 on top of the traffic packages, guys. If you decide to go that route, guys, plenty of members have made plenty of affiliate commissions, guys, organically as well. So if you want to stick to referrals, that works out fine. But the traffic packages, guys, is how you get that steady residual income coming in, guys. So for those of you who don't know, Tabby D is actually a Google traffic expert, guys, which is why her traffic packages convert so well. This is actually the landing page for the 10x Income system. You can obviously check out here, but if I scroll a little lower, there's actually some more information on Tabby D, guys. And for those of you who don't know, I actually made plenty of videos covering a little bit more about Tabby D and the 10x Income system, guys. So if you're interested, please check those out. Also, just simply look her up on Google, guys, so you can read a little bit more about her as well. Because the 10x Income system is a pretty new system that came out October 1st, guys. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. As usual, guys, I'll leave links below, guys, so you can visit this page, watch this video, and read up on Tabby D yourself. All right, see you next time.